We're pleased to show you the 2020 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power tailgate, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, automatic climate control, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.